We got two different Vosteed knives we're going to be checking out today. What is going on, everybody? My name is Miguel. You're watching Miguel EDC, the channel where we talk everything EDC gear here. And today we're checking out two Vosteed knives that come in a very interesting box, to say the least. I mean, there's all kinds of like doodles going on here. At first, I thought this was a collaboration with Mr. Doodle, if you're familiar with Mr. Doodle's work. But it looks somewhat in the very similar art style here with all kinds of different characters and different creatures, monsters, what have you. Doodle style. Absolutely looking epic, right? Same thing with this one. We're gonna go ahead and dive right in. These are gonna be linked down below so you guys can check out prices, availability, and variants. Pick one up if you're interested. We have the Rivery Zero here. Do the honors really quick. USA made, aluminum milling, and very, very fidgety, to say the least. Utility blade. But let's see. This first one we're gonna be checking out here today is going to be the Corgi V. It is one of my favorite Vosteed models. I really like the fact that it looks really, really elegant and it tucks in completely. The blade actually goes into the handle pretty much entirely. It looks like a very nice knife on the DL. We got the Velcro pouch here with the leather logo in the front. And let's take a look. I mean, this is definitely a very interesting colorway. If we have not seen this from any other brand so far, at least that I know of. So check it out right here. We got the black background, then we have the white lines, and then we have a little bit of pop of color with green, like the eyes are highlighted. And there's all kinds of different like species of monsters or doodle monsters, if you would. I mean, this is definitely a very cool art piece. I mean, they're calling it a rule-breaking artwork, right? It's kind of like graffiti on the streets and stuff like that, right? The whole rule-breaking nature to it. Just obviously trying something different, trying to do something out of the box here. And again, like I said earlier, I do love about the Vosteed Corgi V here is that the blade does tuck in completely into the handle. These are obviously going to be a limited run, so definitely is going to be one you want to look into if you want to pick one up. I'm just going to go ahead and say it right now. These are going to be available December 13th, I believe at 7 a.m. Future me double check and put the details on the screen in case I'm mistaken. But yeah, these are dropping here very, very soon if they haven't already, depending on the time you're watching this video. And if the design speaks to you, needless to say, you're definitely going to want to jump on these sooner rather than later because they're probably not going to last long, right? Vosteed is just doing a very limited run, kind of like a nice skin, if you would. If you come from the video game background, right, you know what gun skins are about, right? These are like nice skins, pretty much. So we got the front flipper here with the Corgi V. Of course, it's going to be rocking the pivot lock or V anchor lock. I'm having to calibrate how much flick of the wrist. Clearly, I was overdoing it there a few times. So here we go. Yeah, very nice and fidgety. I like how the back flipper is nice and very minimalistic. You do have plenty of jimping. You just got to run your finger across the back like that, and you get it deployed. It works really good, and bam. I mean, this is one of those knives you can put on your fifth pocket or use as a secondary, or maybe you office carry and you don't want to intimidate your coworkers and things like that. Or maybe your local laws restrict you from carrying a certain length blade. Then obviously this is going to be something up your alley. Future me double check that blade length and put it on the screen. By the way, the whole future me stuck around because I heard it from Tri-State, and it's just one of those things that you hear from other people and you get inspired, right? Kind of like you go throughout life and you get inspired by the people that you hang around with and you hear, right, movies and people you talk to and stuff like that. So the whole future me has been a thing that I heard from Tri-State EDC, aka Cole, and it's just been sticking around in the channel since. Obviously, a lot of us edit our own videos, so that's why we'll have to go in there in post-production and add in some details. But yeah, very, very fidgety knife. We got 1, 2, 3 different deployment options. Again, it's a very smallish medium or medium-sized knife. As you can see with my baby hands, it's about the size of my whole palm here, right, in the folded position. And then you got a nice little blade there to work with. Drop point blade with a flat grind. Blacked out to match the blacked out hardware and pivot. Blacked out liners that are exposed. We have 2 standoffs here and very minimal milling on the inside, which is pretty cool. We got a wire clip, very deep carry, and also reversible. I mean, after all, you got a button there that you could also use your index finger on your left hand if you're a lefty. So 14C 28N steel, right? Everyone's favorite budget steel these days. And you got yourself a nice little everyday carry knife. I mean, most of the times we kid ourselves, right? We carry like the big chunky knives when something like this is just ideal for everyday carry. It doesn't weigh you down a lot. You don't have a massive sword, a Spada XL on your pocket, and this might just do it. I mean, unless you're doing something more hardcore, you know, like survival, bushcrafting, outdoorsy stuff, this might just do it. But yeah, that is a Corgi V in a nutshell. Again, really loving the new colorway, if you will, the new pattern with the Vosteed doodles going on all throughout. And hold on, we got one more. We have 3 models in total. We have the Marten, which we're going to be checking out next, and also the Porcupine, right? Good old everyone's favorite Porcupine is also going to be getting the treatment with the Doodle artwork, if I can speak right, Miguel, right? English.exe stuff working. Artwork. Pronounce the words. Artwork. We got the same Velcro pouch here with the little Vosteed logo in orange. The leather little logo in the front as well. And bada bing, bada boom. All right, here's the Marten. Now, the Marten is going for something a little bit different, and I do like this, right? So, whereas the black is the background here with the lines in white, this one's going with a white background and the lines are black. So that allows you to do like the satin finish and, you know, like steel liners and things like that, regular gray hardware. Of course, you're going to get the button operated liner lock, right? One of everyone's favorite locking mechanism these days. Absolutely superior to a plunge lock button lock. But yeah, you can see the contrast here. I also like the little green here on the thumb studs, a little pop of color on that. We got Vosteed's standard pocket clip, also reversible on the other side. Right, a little bit of Vosteed going on there in the center. And then again, we have you know, a variety of different monsters, if you would. I want to say, is the print the same? I mean, I'm going to put them side by side here. We take a closer look. So looks like we got the logo, right? This is the same guy up there. This is the same crown monster here. Yeah, it looks to be basically the same print with the Vosteed lettering in the middle, and then all the other surrounding little characters are going to be basically in the same position so far, but obviously with a different background and color combo. So, oh, bam, there is the Marten, and there is a bigger Marten, I think the 399, but this is the OG Marten, right? The OG size. It was like a medium knife. It came with aluminum scales when it first got released. It absolutely took off as one of Vosteed's best EDC knives of all times because of the fact that you get a really good, capable blade, amazing ergos. I mean, the ergos on this thing are going to be really, really good. You have a good finger choke to forward choke on that absolutely gets the work done, and you have a beautiful drop point blade. This particular one has 154 cm. I want to say the original ones also had 154 cm since it had the aluminum scales. But yeah, you got a flat grind, very, very slicey. And with the button operated liner lock, I mean, this is kind of like Spider Ghost compression lock, but much more easier to use with a button. The button even has a little bit of micro milling on it as well. And it just works really nice on ball bearings. Very, very smooth. Vosteed is one of a few companies that are really experimenting with the button operated liner lock, and they are doing a killer job at it. Reverse flick all day, thumb deployment is good, and you can use the button to deploy also. So you're looking at least 3 different deployment methods. A little bit of jimping here on the blade, which is great for your thumb. Get some good grip, good control of the blade. Good belly there for some tabletop cutting or even some good slicing. This one's going to obviously excel in that department. We have some milling on the inside for weight reduction, and we have an aluminum, if you're from across the pond, backspacer there with the same grain as the thumb studs. So that is a nice little pop of color there, since of course the accent on the little Doodle monsters is the green color. So that actually works out pretty good. And so far, I mean, they are actually making a statement here. They're saying that this is not a new knife, because it isn't, right? These models have already been released, but it's more of an attitude, right? It's more of like you're just throwing some art at knives. Believe it or not, some people think knives got to be tools. It must be serious. You can't take them as a joke. Some people think that way, but we can agree to disagree. I mean, knives can also be a piece of art. They can, express your taste, right? They can obviously be something you like and enjoy to look at. You're going to be the one looking at your knife on a daily basis, so obviously you're going to choose something that really speaks to you. They're looking to inject some playful character and some creative expression into everyday carry. So I think they're onto something. I absolutely think they are absolutely cooking over at Vosteed, no doubt about it. And this is something new, something different. I do love when companies try out new stuff just to see how it would do and what people will like and stuff like that. So this is absolutely appreciated. They're calling it pocket-sized street art, which again, I think is pretty cool. And yeah, I mean, you guys let me know in the comments your thoughts on that. But I mean, as far as something unique and interesting and limited run, this is definitely something that years down the line, where we're going to look back and say, hey, you remember when Vosteed did those street art little Doodle knives? I mean, those are probably going to be collector pieces at some point in the future. Mark my words, we are in February 2026. A couple years from now, right, these are probably going to be some really cool collector's pieces, depending on how limited the run is, or if Vosteed does this again or expands it to other models and things like that. And by the way, here's the counter argument. I know some of you guys might be like, hey, those knives are not for me. I do like the design, but the artwork might not be your cup of tea. I hear you loud and clear. Well, guess what? Then you still got the original drops, right? The original models. So the Marten, this is one of the variants here with the aluminum scales. Like I said, very beautiful micro milling on it. 154 cm blacked out blade. So those two are the same size there, as you can see. But remember how I told you there was a larger counterpart? Well, this is the, I believe, $3.99 Vosteed Marten here, so it's a larger. Everybody loved the medium-ish size so much and asked Vosteed for a larger one, so they made it. So here it is. That is what it looks like. Obviously, it's going to be a little bit longer, right? About a ½ inch on the back end, ½ inch in the front, maybe a whole inch overall. The Corgi V comes in that smaller size as a regular model. There's also a slightly larger model as well. So maybe you're like, okay, I like that. I like a nice little knife on the DL where the blade tucks in completely into the handle, but I want it a little bit larger. Guess what? They also make it with the amazing V anchor lock. This one is on S35 VN steel, whereas this one is a budget counterpart with 14C 28N steel. Obviously, you get a beautiful milled aluminum here. I believe the regular version, like this smaller one, also has aluminum available as well. But, you know, a little bit of everything, a little bit of different taste from Vosteed. Here is the Porcupine, by the way. So imagine this one with the art going on right there on the handle. I'll probably throw a picture on the screen or something so you guys can see it. Two other recommendable models from Vosteed. We got the Vombat right here, M390 steel with very customizable scales that you can swap and make it your own. I got a little bit of gray milled on this side. I got milled orange on the other, both aluminum scales and plenty of scale options available. One of the most customizable Vosteed knives of all times. And we got the Psyop 299, so under 3 inches right here. Also a button operated liner lock as well. So, I mean, Vosteed is just on fire. That's a massive understatement. And they got plenty of knives that are great for everyday carry. Let me know your favorite Vosteed in the comments. I know you guys probably, you know, you have to live under a rock, or maybe just starting your EDC journey at this point if you haven't heard about Vosteed. If you have and you already own some models, which one's your favorite? I'm curious. Let me know in the comments. Also, share your feedback in the comments. What do you think about this new artwork, these new models? What do you like about them, love about them, anything you dislike about them, feedback, concerns, right? Let's hang out in the comment section down below. Links to all these knives in the description and pinned comments as well. It does help out the channel when you use those links, but that's entirely up to you and at zero extra cost. Huge shout out to Vosteed for sending these in for me to share with you guys. And of course, a huge shout out to my Patreon supporters and channel members for supporting what I do here. You guys are awesome. Check out the 50K giveaway video right there on your screen right now so you can get entered and hopefully win one of 12 different prizes. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.